Hello friends and welcome back to my channel here, and today I shall be showing you how to animate on a PowerPoint presentation and how to animate the presentation word by word like this. So if you see, the animation will come word by word or letter by letter. This is very interesting and this makes your presentation more interesting and appealing. So let's have a look on how to do this and how to make this happen on your presentation. So first of all, you have to go to the PowerPoint PPT application, open up a new project, select your design, your styles, and then type in the words you want to make the viewers look at. Now, with this particular section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this section appear word by word or letter by letter when I'm going to play it on the day of my presentation. So how do I do it? I go to the section animation on the menu bar. I select the section, the paragraph or the block where I want to make the animation. I go to animations and then I click custom animation. Once I click custom animation, there's going to be a dialog box appearing here on the right hand corner of the PowerPoint application page. Now here I go to add effect. After going to add effect, I go to entrance, select appear. I can add the sound if I want. Then from this particular drop down menu, I select effect option. Now when I select effect options, there is another dialog box which appears for some settings that has to be made. If you need some sound, you can make the sound appear here. And do not dim is what you're going to say for my choice. And we come to the animate text. Here you see the option is going to be all at once as default. You can change it, you can make it by word. If you make it by word and click OK, the animation will come word by word. Let's see how. See that? Okay? And then if I select this one again and go down here to the drop down list and go back to the effect option and select it word by word or by letter, and then I can set the time, decrease the time for it to appear. Then your animation will come letter by letter. Let's have a look how. That's how you see. That's how you see. Okay. The same thing, you can do it here for this block. Go to custom animations. Custom animations. And then you select add effect, entrance, appear, and then I go to effect options, no sound, don't dim, and I select it by letter and I decrease the time. Okay, I make it 0.1 second delay between the letters and I click OK. That's how it's going to appear. Now let's look at this when I play it by pressing function key 5, F5 on your keyboard, and that's how it's going to appear. Isn't that interesting? Let's have a look. This is a very nice way to make your presentation appealing, interesting, and attractive. Okay? Very well. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel below on the subscription link that's there. Okay, thank you very much.